Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.
Hey guys, I wanted to pop on and give you a quick update. And for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome to my journey. My name is Shanda, and I'm glad you're here. Just a little background. I started this journey on February 24th of this year, weighing in at 270.2 pounds. Since then, I've lost a total of 76 pounds. That still blows my mind every time I say it out loud. It really does. Let's talk about this week. There has been no weight loss this week. I'm still holding steady at 193 pounds. Which is great. And if you've been following me for a while, you already know this is my routine. Lose, microstall. Lose, microstall. And it's happened before, and it'll definitely happen again. So I'm not stressed out about it. The important thing, though, is the overall trend is going down. But let me tell you guys what's been on my mind this week. I have noticed I'm having some hair loss. Yeah, it's like see right in here. It's like my edge. Like the other day, I had parted my hair and I was doing my hair and I was like, wait a minute. It's like, what is all this space doing in here? So yeah, I'm missing, my edges are getting very, very thin. So, very concerning. I don't know if it's a side effect of the medication or if I'm lacking nutrition, which very well could be the case. But either way, definitely concerning. I love my hair, always have. I keep thinking maybe I need to be more consistent with my vitamins and supplements. So let me ask you guys, if you're on your own GLP-1 journey, have you experienced hair loss? Please drop down in the comments and let me know if you did. And if you did, what did you do? And how's it working for you? Because I need to have some, information on deck because this is not good. Another thing I'm still battling is the constipation issue. That's been a lingering problem, but I'm managing it the best I can. It's definitely one of those things that comes with the territory. I've encountered a pretty painful week this week. The whole thing. I'm not able to use my faithful remedy of castor oil all the time because I can't be near the bathroom all the time. So typically I have to wait until my schedule is clear for a full day so I can handle that. But until then, I just have to suffer through it. And it's miserable and so painful. But, you got to do what you got to do. So I'm trying to hydrate to help my situation. But as of right now, I'm suffering. And as far as my meds go, like I told you guys last week, that 12.5 dose is a beast. It completely takes away the food noise. I honestly don't even think about food all day long. And sometimes I have to force myself to eat something. What I've started doing is I've started putting an alarm on my phone every 2 hours to remind myself, eat a protein bar, drink a protein shake, eat, whatever you brought in for lunch, eat half of that or something like that, whatever the case. But that's what I've started doing because I don't think about it. Before I know it, I look up, it's 4 or 5 o'clock and I haven't eaten all day. So I said, I have to stop that because that is terrible for my body, terrible for the weight loss, and I don't want to stall or hinder my progress because I'm not eating regularly like I should. I should eat every 2 hours like I was in the beginning. But after this 12.5 dose, it's just like, you guys, I don't even think about it. So hopefully I started setting the alarms like a couple days ago. So hopefully that will, kick things back up and start going again. But of course, as usual, I'll let you guys know. I know that not eating is not healthy, but at the same time, I can't complain because it's definitely doing its job. But for now, I just have to be very cognizant of my times and what I'm eating and keep, of course, within my calorie restraints, but I have to eat often. So I anticipate being on the 12.5 for the next few months at least, just letting it do its thing because it's doing its thing. And 15 is the next highest dose and the last step. So I'm going to try to put that off as long as I can. So yeah, guys, that's where I am this week. Holding steady at 193, celebrating 76 pounds down, and working through the mental anguish of my little hair situation. Getting thin. And of course, my constipation challenges. As you guys know, this journey has its ups and downs. But I'm still grateful for the progress, for sure. As always, guys, thank you for writing this out with me, for your support, and for sharing your own stories. I love to hear how your weight loss is going. How many pounds you've lost, what you're doing, things you've changed. I am so proud of all of us. We are definitely putting that work in, and we are realizing our dreams. If you're new here, though, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can follow along week by week. Until next time, guys, stay strong. Keep going, and remember, all progress should be celebrated, no matter how slow. I'll talk to you guys later.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.